Let me show you how you can import images right in vMix. So you come to where you have add input right here, and then go to where you have images, and then come to browse. So it takes you to your computer, and so you locate the particular images you want to bring into vMix. I'm going to click this, double click, and then I come here to click OK. So as you can see, we have successfully imported our images. I'm going to repeat the process just for affirmation purposes. Once again, go to add input, and then go to images, or go to image, sorry, and then go to browse, and then you locate the image you want to add up. So I'm going to click this, double click, and then click OK. So this is how you can add images right into vMix. Now you can, of course, just as a bonus tip, you can use any of these options to fade. Okay, so if I want the other image on the left to go live, I'm just going to use any of this to switch the output windows. I can click this, fade, or whatever option, keep zoom, and whatever options I want to use. So this is how you can import images right into your vMix software. So if you found this video useful, please like this video. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section, and of course subscribe to my channel because I make these and more amazing tech videos every week. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.